So I'm going to give you a quick tour of our online class. As you'll notice, this is in the professor mode, so there are some differences. I just wanted to first show us that you should immediately consider updating your notifications to make sure that you're getting the announcements that I post immediately, and then you can tweak your notifications as needed besides that. And you do that by going up to here, account, and then you click on notifications, and so you can update any information. You can also update your pronouns under profile. So I'm going to put it in student view just for ease of access, so that it looks similar to what you'll see. You'll notice on this right hand side that you have a to-do list that gets posted. Don't always rely on the to-do list, but it can be very helpful. You also can reference the calendar over here to see what's due and what's coming up. My main suggestion with navigating our course are a couple things here. So first, when in doubt, go to the syllabus. So this is our home page. You can go to the syllabus over here on this left-hand side. And when you're in our syllabus section, you'll notice that the syllabus is posted, the assignment schedule is posted, as well as my office hours, my student hours. So I meet with students by appointment, but you can easily, just send me an email and we can schedule a time that works for both of us. You easily can access our novel. All of our resources this semester are going to be OER, meaning Open Educational Resources, aka free. So you do not need to purchase any texts for this course. You'll notice that it lists the order, the assignments in order as they're going to be due, so you can kind of see them. But if you click on them, you'll notice that they're locked at this time because it'll open as each module section opens. Besides that, our announcements are under here. So this is where you're going to find those announcements that also you should receive via email. And when you open them, you'll notice all the information in them, and I'll be sending these weekly. Besides that, all of your assignments you're going to be able to access via modules. The modules will unlock each week, but you'll first notice that our resources are available here. So health and wellness, if you ever need, therapy help or, physical wellness checks, we have that. Our library resources, tutoring assistance, all of that's posted within our modules at the top. And then you'll notice our online textbook as well as reference material, so a lot of support for MLA formatting and such, which you'll figure out as you look at your Module 1 information. Then there's our course information. It's just an introduction, to me, to the expectations, all of the basics. And then you'll complete this Get to Know Me. This Get to Know Me survey is private. I will be the only one who sees it. It's just a way for me to know what your goals are for this course and to get a better sense of who you are. And then you'll go into your first module and you'll want to complete reading through all this material, but also you'll want to complete the introduction discussion post. It's very straightforward, again, getting to know you, but this time this is going to be public for your peers so that you can get to know everyone in the course. And then this assessment, which is just going to be a very simple, not tricky test or short little quiz to kind of make sure that you've read through these materials. And so you'll get these throughout the semester, these assessments. The assessments will not lock. I do suggest keeping up with them, but they won't lock, so you can complete them late. Discussions are a little bit different than that. And you'll notice that week 2 is locked. So week 2 will unlock August 27th. So I will make sure that each module unlocks the Friday before the corresponding week. And so that way, if you want to work ahead over the weekend before, you absolutely can. If you're someone that procrastinates, then this doesn't necessarily apply to you. But everything is accessible in our modules, and I do this so that you are kind of forced to follow along in order. Besides that, you can always check your grades under grades. And you can always predict, right? You can play around with what are you going to get. So you can type in, what if I get 10 out of 10 and, 4 out of 4. And then you can kind of scroll down and see where you're at in the course with these predictions as well. So don't hesitate to practice those predictions or use that tool in the computer. Besides that, you can also access the assignments in grades, right? You can access the assignments in the syllabus if you're wanting to submit it. So right now they're locked in Student View, but you'll be able to click on the assignment that you want to submit under grades or under syllabus or from the modules, okay? And then you'll notice that you have this NetTutor tool over here, and information for our Learning Center is in that early spot in our modules. So you can find out how to enroll in our Learning Center, which is amazing and is a way for you to receive extra credit. And they are still doing remote tutoring support. So, I just, want to let you know that if you have any questions or concerns, you can find my email on the syllabus, or you can easily get in contact with me by using Canvas inbox over here. Give me up to 24 hours to respond. But, I definitely will be checking it very regularly. Typically goes to my phone. So don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns as we move throughout this semester, okay? When in doubt, just ask. Just reach out. No question is a stupid question, and I'm here for you. That's my job, right? I'm here for you. So I look forward to getting to know all of you throughout this semester. I hope that this helps. If you have any questions about Canvas, don't hesitate to reach out.